Chia seeds are small, but they are packed with nutrients. For centuries, these seeds have been touted for their health benefits as a staple in the ancient Aztec and Maya diets. Furthermore, chia seeds are versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes. You can enjoy their gel-like consistency by combining them with liquid and making chia pudding. Let's take a look at 7 incredible health benefits of chia seeds. But before we get into the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment below. And with that being said, let's get started. Number 1. Chia seed is highly nutritious. Historically, the seeds were used in Aztec and Mayan diets, as well as for medicinal purposes, religious rituals, and cosmetics. Chia seeds were thought to be extremely nutritious by ancient civilizations, and this belief is supported by modern science. 1 ounce of chia seeds contains 138 calories, 4.7 grams of protein, 8.7 grams fat, 5 grams of alpha-linoleic acid, 11.9 grams of carbs, 9.8 grams of fiber, 14% of the daily value for calcium, 12% of the daily value for iron, 23% of the daily value for magnesium, 20% of the daily value for phosphorus, 12% of the daily value for zinc, 15% of the daily value for vitamin B1, and 16% of the daily value for vitamin B3. This nutritional profile is especially impressive considering it is for a single serving of approximately 2 tablespoons. Number 2. Chia seeds is loaded with antioxidants. Chia seeds are also packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants not only keep the sensitive fats in chia seeds from going rancid, but they also benefit human health by neutralizing reactive molecules known as free radicals, which can damage cell compounds in your body if they build up. Free radical damage, for example, contributes to aging and diseases such as cancer. Chia seeds contain antioxidants such as chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, myristicin, quercetin, and camphorol. All of these may have heart and liver protective properties as well as anti-cancer properties. Chlorogenic acid, for example, may help lower blood pressure, whereas caffeic acid has anti-inflammatory properties. Number 3. Chia seeds may support weight loss. Chia seeds contains fiber and protein which may aid in weight loss. Chia seeds contain nearly 10 grams of dietary fiber per ounce. That means they contain 35% of fiber by weight. Although the research on this topic is conflicting, some studies suggest that eating fiber may help prevent overweight and obesity. Furthermore, the protein in chia seeds may help to reduce appetite and food intake. In one study of 24 people, eating 0.33 ounces or 0.5 ounces of chia seeds mixed with yogurt for breakfast increased feelings of fullness and reduced food intake in the short term when compared to eating chia-free yogurt. Nonetheless, studies on the effectiveness of chia seeds for weight loss have yielded conflicting results. In an older study from 2009, consuming 50 grams of chia seed supplements per day for 12 weeks had no effect on the body weight or health markers such as blood pressure and inflammation markers. In contrast, a 6-month study of 77 people with overweight or obesity and type 2 diabetes who followed a low-calorie diet discovered that those who took chia seeds daily lost significantly more weight than those who received the placebo. Though chia seeds are unlikely to cause weight loss on their own, they may be a useful addition to a balanced, nutritious diet if you are trying to lose weight. If you've made it this far into the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more health-related content, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we post a new video. Now, back to the video. Number 4. Chia seeds may lower your risk of heart disease. Because chia seeds are high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, eating them may lower your risk of heart disease. Soluble fibers such as that found in chia seeds can help lower total and LDL or bad cholesterol levels in the blood. As a result, your risk of heart disease may be reduced. Consuming ALA, the omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds, has also been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Nonetheless, studies specifically investigating the relationship between chia seeds and heart health have yielded inconclusive results. Some rat studies have found that chia seeds can reduce certain heart disease risk factors such as high triglyceride levels and oxidative stress. A small number of human studies discovered that chia seed supplements significantly reduce blood pressure in people with hypertension or high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. Overall, chia seeds may be beneficial to cardiovascular health, but more research is needed. Number 5. Chia seeds contain many important bone nutrients. Chia seeds are high in calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all of which are important for bone health. Many observational studies indicate that getting enough of these nutrients is critical for maintaining good bone mineral density, which is an indicator of bone strength. Furthermore, the ALA in chia seeds may help with bone health. Consuming this nutrient may also be associated with increased bone mineral density, according to observational studies. As a result, eating chia seeds on a daily basis may help keep your bones strong. In one animal study, rats given chia seeds daily for about 13 months had higher bone mineral content than a controlled group. The authors concluded that ALA may have played a role in this benefit. However, aside from animal studies, only a few studies have specifically investigated this topic, therefore, more human research is ultimately required. Number 6. Chia seeds may reduce blood sugar levels. Chia seeds may aid in blood sugar regulation due to their fiber content and other beneficial compounds. High fasting blood sugar levels are linked to an increased risk of a variety of complications, including heart disease. Animal studies suggest that chia seeds may improve insulin sensitivity. This may help to maintain blood sugar levels after meals. Human research is limited, but older studies have yielded promising results. Older research from 2010 and 2013 suggests that eating bread with chia seeds helps lower post-meal blood sugar rises in healthy adults when compared to eating bread without chia seeds. Nonetheless, more research is required to learn more about the relationships between these healthy seeds and blood sugar regulation. Number 7. Chia seeds are easy to incorporate in your diet. Chia seeds are very simple to incorporate in your diet. They have a mild flavor, so you can put them in almost anything. They don't need to be ground, cooked, or otherwise prepared, making them an ideal addition to recipes. They can be consumed raw, soaked in juice, or combined with oatmeal, pudding, smoothies, and baked goods. They can also be sprinkled on cereal, yogurt, vegetables, or rice dishes. They also work well as a binding agent in homemade fritters. Because they absorb water and fat, they can be used to thicken sauces and as an egg substitute. They can also be mixed with water to form a gel. If you're not used to eating a lot of fiber, eating too many seeds in one sitting may cause digestive side effects like bloating or diarrhea. A typical dosage is 0.7 ounces of chia seeds twice per day. And make sure to drink plenty of water to avoid any digestive side effects. Chia seeds are not only high in minerals, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber, but they are also simple to prepare. According to research, they have a variety of health benefits, ranging from weight loss to a lower risk of heart disease. However, more human-based research is required before any firm conclusions can be drawn. Consider incorporating chia seeds into your diet if you want to reap the potential benefits. They go well in smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, baked goods, and other dishes. That's it for today's video. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more health-related content, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video, and I'll see you on the next one.